Have you found yourself back on the dating scene after many years in a relationship and finding it daunting? I know I did, after the demise of my husband after a 31-year marriage. It can be scary. You may have been left, or you may have been the one doing the leaving, but it can have happened for a gazillion reasons. But when you find yourself in that position, things will have changed in the last 30, 40, 50 years since you were dating. So 3 things that I would like to suggest that you could put under consideration, serious consideration. Firstly, your safety. Make sure that you meet in a public place. Make sure you tell someone where you're going. Make sure you tell someone when you're going to be home. Leave them with a phone number. Make sure you go in your own car so that you're ensuring your safety. You're not giving out too many personal details until you get to know the person a little bit better. The second point would be watch your boundaries. Set your boundaries and stick to them. Today, with internet dating, which wasn't around in my early days, I've found that many men hide behind the anonymity of the net to be rude, crude and unattractive. So set the boundaries and the standards that you have and adhere to them. And thirdly, have fun. Dating's about having fun. Enjoy it, get out there and tell your friends. Go and have coffee with your girlfriends and tell them about it so that you maintain that aura of fun, lightness and enjoyment, because that's what life all about. So if you or someone you know thinks that they could benefit from working with me and sharing experiences and growing their confidence in themselves so that they can get out on that dating scene again, I'd love to hear from them. Call me direct or email me through the website.